X1 Assembly Instructions. Today, you will learn how to assemble your new X-Chair. Let's get started. Lay out all contents and toolkit from your X-Chair package. Step 1. Turn the 5-star base upside down with the wheel holes facing upwards. Insert your X-Chair standard casters or X wheel blade casters into the base. Use moderate pressure to ensure they are secure. Step 2. Turn the 5-star base upright and insert the cylinder into the center. Step 3. Place the seat onto the cylinder. Sit on the seat and lightly bounce 2 to 3 times to ensure the cylinder and seat mechanism interlock. Step 4. Place the seat on its side so the back is facing upward. Align the backrest attachment bracket with the seat mechanism attachment bracket. The seat mechanism attachment bracket should slide into and underneath the backrest attachment bracket. Use 3 screws, 3 lock washers, and the hex wrench from the toolkit to attach the seat to the backrest. Step 5. Align the armrest in the armrest slots. Make sure to put the armrests on their correct side. The armrests are marked with an L or R. Use 4 screws with lock washers from the toolkit to attach the left and right armrests, 2 screws per armrest. Step 6. If you did not purchase a headrest, insert the plastic protective covering on the back of the chair. Step 7. If you ordered a headrest for your chair, remove the plastic protective covering from the top center of the backrest with a flathead screwdriver and align the holes of the headrest with the exposed screw holes of the backrest. Use the 2 headrest screws and the headrest hex wrench to attach the headrest to your X-Chair. Attach the plastic screw cover and place it over the exposed headrest screws. You are now ready to enjoy your newly assembled X-Chair.